5 irony. You remember you have at least 5 primary ironies. You have dramatic, situational, verbal, tragic, and Socratic, which we will explore in more details if you would like to know. But Big Girl's Own Cry is a 370-pound individual at that given point in time crying. Situational irony is a male crying. Situational irony too is this stereotypically African American, supposedly aggressive individual, but he's crying again. So it encompasses at least 4 or 5 different sorts of situational irony and verbal irony, because the fact that I'm crying is a verbal aspect of the video. So invariably it'll go viral. Now, how do we deal with the philosophical aspect of it? It's less philosophy and it's more exploring linguistic devices, taking these abstract concepts and materializing them.